Alright, this is going to be a short video. Hopefully it's going to be short, but this will be a one take, hopefully a one take, on adding a battery positive post fender shield. I picked this up here. I never knew they even had them. A friend of mine aptly pointed out that it was missing on this car. This GT350 Hertz. One of the few red and gold ones out there. Came out of California. It was a West Coast color. So this is what it is. It's a little fender shield that protects the positive terminal from coming into contact with bare metal. It's a pretty smart invention. Ford really had their stuff together with their engineers as far as I'm concerned. So it fits on there like that, and it folds down, and it comes with a packet of 1, 2, 3, 4 little grommets. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully I don't lose them, but Murphy's Law, right? Maybe if I empty them out one at a time. So it's a little plastic grommet that pushes in, just pushes into the metal. The metal has been all pre-drilled there from the factory. These must wear out over time. This car, keep in mind, is almost as old as me. It's about 57 years old, so 66, so it's considerably aged. So these things do not last forever, as it's the nature of the universe. So you push it through like this, I take it. Push it through the little hole there, and then you just push it into the metal like that. That went in easy. Doesn't always work that way. Almost never works that way on anything where I'm concerned anyway. So we will put this in here. The second one just clips in. Nope, I want to drop the damn thing. Push it through the rubber like that, and it just gets pushed into the metal like that. So 2 in, 2 to go. So far so good. Watch, it'll be the last one that gives me considerable resistance. Isn't that always the case? Why? I don't know. Something fundamentally engineered into the universe, maybe. I will put the last 2 in, so I don't struggle with the last one, putting it into the rubber. Pretty cool to have these little additions to make your car more correct. Trying to get this car as correct as possible. It's got a number of things that need correcting, but over time it's getting there. It'll never be concourse. This is a day 2 car since the 1970s. Now this thing just folds up like that. It's in there, and you know I'm getting a little bit of resistance there. I'm gonna push it too hard. Just as I predicted, the last one's going to give me trouble. Well, I do not know. Isn't that a bummer, right? Unbelievable. Interesting how life works. Looks like it's slightly bent. There, got it in. There we go. And it's a nice little addition to your car if you have a 65 or 66. I'm not sure if they were, or 64 and a half, probably was on them as well. I'm not sure if they were added on 64 and a half. Maybe yes, maybe no. You can look that up. But there it is. All done. Thanks for watching.